They don't get it, babe. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know a thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us. They don't know about
Well, I'm out here, we're out here trying, but I'm still out here trying to clean up the yard, the leaves and stuff, but it started raining on me. But this is what I had done before it started raining. I love working. I love working, baby. That's what I do. Work, work, work. Pick up trash. Clean up. It's on outside. But look nice, nice, nice. You gotta get back there where the little dog, still dog back there. That's Cookie right there. Come here, Cookie. Come here. Come, Cookie. There you go, you in the fist. And that's, I'm gonna walk on over here and introduce you to my dogs. Cause I'm just getting ready to go in the house now and hit the shower. Hit the shower, baby. But anyway, Cupcake, Cookie. Water running in the yard. There they go right there, having fun. But I gotta clean up all this tomorrow if it's not raining. I'm through for today. So leaves back there I gotta get. Okay, just showing you what I've been doing. That's Cookie. Hey, Cookie. Right there. All right. Thank you for watching. It is on like a pot of, well, can't say neck bones because they are bones, but not a neck. The neck bone, neck to the backbone neck to the head bone, neck to the real bone, 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 down, down. Hey, that's what I'm doing today. That's what she says she wants. That's what she get.
Christmas Eve dinner. Well, we don't wait for Christmas. We got our ribs already done. Mike made some cabbage today and cornbread. We also have a baked spiral ham and potato salad done. And y'all saw my patty pie come the other day. It is ready to go. Well, halfway gone. Yes, indeed. Stop playing with us.
Okay, what we're gonna do is, if I can get over here, got enough stuff going on around this joint. We're gonna change this shower head out. I end up cracking it. So change it out, put a new one in. After I'm using the wrong kind of pliers, I can't find my plier with the little rubber right here. So we'll do this. Alright. That loose over there somewhere. Now this. Woo! Didn't know that was going to happen, but shit happened. I mean, stuff happened. Excuse me. Put this little shower tape around it. Try to help the leak with this. There we go. Straight. Now, I like trying doing things myself because I just hate a bunch of damn people while sitting around. You call, to help. And they want to try to pretend they so damn professional. Ain't about jack in the box, you know what I mean? I believe anything another man can do, I can do. Therefore, I don't need to run my house. Don't need to run my house at all. This does not have a wash. So the wash comes with it, which is good. And you put the wash right there. Straight on. Most of the time, your hand, I do the job. Same thing with this. Put a little wash right there. No. There. And get this little baby. Baby. And with the wash on it, you shouldn't need a little tape. So you just put it on and hope it doesn't leak. If it doesn't, like I said, I got the wrong kind of flour, but there. Now we're gonna try to turn this water on. Do it up. No leak. No leak. No leak. Great. And that's how we do it. Hey, call the plumber. He be want to charge me $75, $125, $200. You know, if you can do it, I can do it. You know what I mean? And that's how we do it. Thank you.
All right, beautiful babes, I've brought my perfumes, Dossier perfumes, out of the bedroom, and I'm getting ready to do some changes to them because I just received an email stating that they're changing some of the names to some of the fragrances, just an update. However, of the scents, all of that is remaining the same. So I am going to go ahead and relabel some of the ones that have been changed and get those done. And I love my Dossier perfumes. I wish I had not destroyed the labels like I did when I first started putting the inspired fragrance name on there. I should have done it a lot more neater, but I didn't do it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and fix that part of it up, and we'll be talking more about Dossier fragrances in the upcoming future. Efforts trying to get a little bit more healthy and not sit as much, y'all, I have purchased me a stand to put my computer on, to lift it up so I can stand and work part of my day instead of just sitting down. So I'm getting ready to put it together right now and get it set up, and hopefully this will get me back on my A game again, you know, trying to again not be a sedentary. This is what they call a laptop stand, and these are just the instructions, so I'm gonna get ready to put it together. But again, we got to do this, and I'm starting right now. I know it's not the New Year's, y'all know I like to start in advance trying to see what I can do for the new year. But anyway, we're gonna get this together now.